What's up guys? So very quick review. This is the Aprilia Tuono V4 Factory. I'm having to compete with the noise of the cars behind me. Wala, dito lang tayo sa kalsada. What's up guys? Welcome to my quick review of the 2021 Tuono V4 Factory. So this is the Aprilia naked bike, top of the line naked bike from Aprilia. So this is the direct competitor of the Street Fighter V4S, as this has electronic suspension as well. That is what gives it the factory in its name. So there is a Tuono V4 without factory spec. So the factory spec is that electronically adjustable suspension by Öhlins. Right out of the box, it's 176 horsepower. This has the stock exhaust, but I tell you, it does sound very mean. Like I said, it is a super naked, and this is really what I want the super naked to look like. So in the front, still with a bit of fairings, just chopped off to make room for the handlebars, and the rear set is the same as a sport bike, so that you still have the same kind of agility in your lower body, you still have the same type of feel as a sport bike when you're riding this bike. Because a lot of people that are riding this bike have already ridden sport bikes hard. And if you're used to that kind of lower body position, you shouldn't change it as much as you'd like to change positions that will suit your back. Hence, the handlebars instead of clip-ons. I think the lower body should maintain its super bike stature. So I really like this Aprilia Tuono because it is literally the RSV4 from the handlebars down. Except for the engine, which is detuned again. From 200, it's now 174 horsepower. But it is very mean. I really like the power. I was able to use the power very well. But that will go with my full review. This is again just a quick review. The exhaust is very social. You can turn this bike on and your neighbors will not hate you. Hindi ka mababarangay. So since we're on this side, as you can see, there is an installed engine cover. So that's not the engine cover itself, but a cover of the cover. Aprilia has really thought about the riders that are going to be riding this. It's a beefy engine cover. And it's stock, bro. It's stock. And really nice rear sets. It looks very race bike to me. The eraser, sabi nga ni Aprilia. So over at the other side, we've got a quick shifter. And again, that really nice rear set. You don't really need to add anything. You don't need to change the rear of this bike, the rear sets. You can change them to more blinged out ones, but to move them around, well, it really depends on you as a rider. But for me, I don't think I'll need any more change to that. I think that is smack that perfect. You can see here there is a pillion foot peg, and that's just there because they don't want to redesign anything for this end. So yung foot peg is the hanger of the exhaust, and they don't want to have to redesign a new hanger because it's expensive, so it might as well just put the foot peg. But you can change this out. You cannot sit on this. So if you are able to try out a Tuono V4, or a guy asks you to back ride on his Tuono V4 and he has this, you cannot back ride. This may break. But this is a compartment. It's not watertight. Things will get wet in there. But the seat is very nice. It's very durable. It's like this rubberized feel. It's very comfortable. I really like, I always thought about this as being too wide of a seat. But I mean, wow, the comfort is like out of this world. Like, it is no race replica seat. The tank, I love it because it is plastic. Because if it were anything other than plastic, then man, that would not be good at all. So the engine, it's a V4, so 2 in the front, 2 in the rear. You understand the heat situation. Of course, the Öhlins electronically adjusted rear shock. You can set it up via the menu. You can also set up a lot of power modes. I really like how this bike performs because I went to Kaibang in the wet, and this bike just on sport, it just knew what to do to get you there and get you there quick. Swing arm is a 3-piece unit. So it's 3 things welded together. Of course, the wheels fitted in Diablo Super Corsa. Very nice tire. I was able to take it here. Hindi ko nasagad, of course, because, hindi naman tama isagad on the road. same as the front. So yeah, Brembos as well. And you can turn off the ABS on the rear to do some skids. Looks really nice. So I guess that's it, guys. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you dislike this video, please let me know in the comments below. And as always, ride safe.